This weekend, 11 Alive was tipped off about people camped outside of Lucky Shoals Park Community Recreation Center, that's in Norcross, allegedly telling voters that they are brainwashed before they went in to vote. The images show the people wearing shirts that say election security on them. A spokesperson for Gwinnett County saying the people were not employed by county government and had their First Amendment right as long as they maintain state-mandated distance requirements. Concerns of voter intimidation at the polls are always at a high level heading into Tuesday's midterm election, and this is on the minds of the Brennan Center for Justice from New York University. The nonprofit Law and Public Policy Institute looked at 10 states, Georgia included, where the risk of disruption has been especially high in their view. To help, they put together guides for voters to defer to so that they know what their rights are when they go cast a ballot. Voter intimidation can go beyond what takes place at the polls, but can also include robocalls, mailers, and flyers, depending on the message being sent. The Brennan Center says the project is to remind voters that they have every reason to go to the polls on Tuesday.
We have seen voter intimidation in various forms in a large part of U.S. history. And so I think that's not new. But I do think this year there's sort of a new reason to be concerned about what we're seeing voters and election officials and what they may face this year in particular.
Under Georgia law, anyone found guilty of voter intimidation can face up to 10 years in prison and up to a $100,000 fine.